Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
Alright. Yes, you heard it right. Basta Radyo, ibandera mo. Hey, good evening everybody. Apologies, we started late. We've been having some technical issues since a couple of days ago yata with the internet especially, no? Okay, pero nonetheless, tuloy ang show, 8:17 in the evening. Welcome everybody. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. This is Radyo Bandera, 107.1 News FM, Olongapo City. Alrighty. And as usual, of course, we always start things up with today's holidays and observances. Ayan, January 22. Wow, 22 na. May 31 ba? Meron, no? Meron. Let me double check that for you. Meron, may 31. 31 is Saturday. Okay? So, magpe-February na ng Sunday. Wow! Love month. Enter love month. I still feel we just welcome 2026. Parang kaka-welcome lang natin, ano? Tapos na kagad yung month number 1, month number 2 na agad. And before you knew it, Christmas na naman. Pero magpe-February muna tayo, syempre. Kabi-kabila yung mga events for February. Maraming events na magaganap, mangyayari. So, let me know if you might be, you might need an MC para sa ating, sa mga February events ninyo dyan. Okay? Kailangan nyo ng MC. Nandito si DJ Tommy G. Yeah. I want to thank Tapinak Elementary School and Olongapo City National High School for trusting yours truly with a couple of their programs na gagawin for the reunion. Mga reunion, kabi-kabila. For February, mas marami yata yung reunion ngayon sa February kaysa sa December. Okay? I don't know why. Pero siguro dahil natapat yung grand reunion. Dalawa kasi ang mag-grand reunion. Grand alumni, homecoming to Ibig sabihin lahat ng batch. Yung iba, syempre, ang technique, pag-iisahin mo na lang, mag-grand reunion na rin lang, di ba? Ayan. Olongapo City National High School tsaka Tapinak Elementary School, pareho po yan na mag-80th Grand Reunion Homecoming. Kaya sabihan nyo na all alumni, walang batch na pinipili ito. Lahat ng alumni of Olongapo City National High School, lahat ng alumni ng Tapinak Elementary School, pare-pareho yan this February. Okay? So, yung sa OCNHS, 27 and 28th of February. Okay? Yung sa Tapinak Elementary School, sila yata yung yung Grand Alumni Homecoming 21. Yan. 2021, am I right? Mm-hmm. Tapos meron din yung mga ibang batch naman, like yung sa 13, 14. Yun. Okay? So, kabila. Okay? So, yung mga iba pang may events dyan or whatever event you're gonna be having, kasal, birthday, debut, whatever. Yours truly is here to serve you. DJ Tommy J. Okay. Alright. Moving on. Eto na, umpisa na natin yung today's holidays and observances. January 22, what is the going on? The going on, Being brought to you by Angel's Pizza Olongapo. Okay? And they are now promoting the birthday package. Okay? May iba-ibang package ito. Package A, Package B. Yan, for Package A, merong dalawang big family size pizza, 2 chicken wings, 2 pasta platter, 1 liter lychee lemonade, dalawang 1 liter, so 2 liters yun, Free Angel's Pizza card and free family size pepperoni for only 2,499. Ay, sulit na sulit, no? Marami nang mapapakain. Package B, 2 family pizzas, 2 chicken wings, 1 pasta platter, 2 1 liter lychee lemonade, free Angel's Pizza card, and free medium-sized pepperoni for only 1,999. Okay? So call or text them now. 0967-164-4646. 0967-164-6450. Yan yung new numbers nila, no? And as usual, they are located at the 4th Street, corner ng 4th Street, no? 395 Rizal Avenue, Extension, West Tapinak, Olongapo City, Philippines. Okay, yung harap lang ng 4th Street, ang daling puntahan. You may also visit their Facebook page to check out the official menu. Madami pang available. They're more than just pizza. Angel's Pizza Olongapo, okay? Today's holidays and observances, Celebration of Life Day. So celebrate life. Alam mo, to celebrate life, just always be happy. Maging masaya ka lang lagi. Ano man yung dumarating sa buhay mo, no? Ako, yan na yung naging mantra ko eh. Ang daming dumating na pagsubok, ang daming dumating na na malulungkot na bagay. Pero still, I chose to be happy, no? Naranasan ko na yung pinaka-importanting bagay sa'yo, mawala sa'yo. Di ba? Alam nyo naman. No? Naranasan ko na ako pa yung naparusahan, hindi yung kaaway ko na magnanakaw. Di ba? May naging kaaway kasi ako nagnanakaw. So, ina-expose ko unti-unti yung pagnanakaw niya. Ang nangyari, yung nasa taas, mas naniwala sa kanya. Nangyayari kasi yun, kung magnanakaw ka, tapos magaling ka mag-manipulate, ay, magandang kombinasyon yan, no? Lalo na kung yung nasa taas ninyo, sa syunga-syunga. Oy, science ang nagsabi niya na, people who gets manipulated easily, mababa daw ang IQ, sabi. Pagka madali kang manipulate, tingnan yun, promise yung nangyari sa akin, di ba? Matinong tao versus magnanakaw, pinili yung magnanakaw, pinarusahan yung matinong tao. Anong masasabi mo dun sa sa may gawa nun, di ba? Di syunga. Ganun po yun, ano? Okay? Alright? Tanong niyo pa si Direk Saldi, hindi ako nagsisinungaling. Di ba, no, Direk Saldi, nakikinig ka? Yun. So, just nasingit ko lang kasi nga, Celebration of Life Day. Celebrate your life daily. Hindi ako naniniwalang yung pag may namatay, di ba? May gathering, may prayers, celebrating the life of somebody who passed away, di ba? It should be daily. Just be happy, that's your way of celebrating your life. Ganun yun. Di ba? Ganda ng payo ko, no? You guys can take my advice because I don't need it. Ginagawa ko na yan, mantra ko na yan. Di ba? Ganun pa man, ginawan ka man na masama, makikita nila, masaya ka pa rin, di ba? Wala namang problema doon, di ba? Sila may problema, yung gumawa ng masama sa'yo, di ba? Ng mali. Okay? Pero ayon sa ating constitution, ano man yung policies, corporate policies, mapa-government man or private company, pag yung policy na inimpose on you, yung ibinagsak sa'yo, it violates your constitutional rights. Basic na lang, human rights. Ano man yung karapatan mo, yung ikaw yung may karapatan tapos tinanggal sa'yo, pasok yun sa violation of human rights constitutional rights. Yung karapatang pantao, pinaka-basic na lang, pasok na pasok doon, no? Okay? So, yan. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam nung usapin na yun, ng clause na yun, ngayon alam nyo na, ha? Marami kayo ba tututunan kay DJ Tommy G? Minsan mukha lang ako syunga, pero matalino rin to. Ma-research to, ma-research. Alam niyo yun? Ma-research tayo. Siyempre, so pag ma-research ka, yung mga ibabagsak mo ngayon, base na sa mga ni-research mo. Hindi sa akin ang galing. Ayon sa ni-research ko, di ba? Totoo yun. Kaya yung mga naagrabyado dyan, kunyari, halimbawa, may mga private company or even public company or government man yan, pagka may inimpose sa inyo na ruling or company policies pa man yan, pero kung may na-violate naman na constitutional right mo, yung karapatang pantao mo, hindi pwedeng mas matimbang yun. Mas matimbang pa rin ang ating constitutional rights, yung ating karapatang pangtao. Tandaan nyo yan. Okay? So kahit hindi kayo abogado, pwede yung panlaban yan, no? Okay? Basta may na-violate, ha? Basta may na-violate na karapatan mo. Okay? Yung something na sa'yo na, tapos kinuha pa, tinanggal pa, violation of constitutional rights. Okay? Salamat. Salamat sa palakpakan. Salamat. What else? Today is Polka Dot Day. Mga mahilig sa Polka Dot. In celebration of Minnie Mouse. Si Minnie Mouse kasi, laging naka-polka dot. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung sino si Minnie Mouse, yan yung asawa ni Maximize. Mickey Mouse pala. Minimize pala yun. Minimize, Maximize. Polka Dot Day. Okay. Ano pa? Women's Healthy Weight Day. Ayan. Yung healthy weight. Ano nga ba ang healthy weight ng mga babae? Hindi po pare-pareho, no? Depende yan sa Meron tayong body mass index kung tawagin. Depende sa height mo, sa yung hindi porket mabigat ka, overweight ka na. Paano kung malaki ka naman? Ganoon. Hindi lang sa women, in general yan. Meron tayong, bawat height natin, may kaakibat na nararapat na timbang. Again, napabilib ko na naman kayo, no? Marami ako nalalaman, no? Ayun. Women's Healthy Weight Day, ang January 22. Yan, okay? So there you have it. Yun lang. Just a few celebrations for today. Holidays and observances.